Hello there, this is Steve Ritchie. I'm a steel sculptor from Ashford in Kent. I was given a project to do a leaping dragon off a rock, or that's the pose I chose anyway. The customers sort of referred at one point to a sort of a dog being held back by a leash, and yeah, with welding a bit of chain together, getting a really good pose together, and I'm hoping also for a really good silhouette with some groovy lighting in the right places, we can come up with something really, really cool. So I asked the customers to give me as many details as they possibly could as far as the measurement of this thing, its height, its width, its diameter at the base, its taper. There'd have been a couple of other things I may have requested as well, but oh, excuse me, I just had my tea. Yeah, seriously, it was quite a difficult thing to do to off-site fit something to a lump like that. But I think I've covered most angles. I've looked at various other poses that I've done in the past to see if there was anything interesting there. And yeah, I've done quite a few interesting dragons in my time. This isn't all of them either. I do make other things other than dragons. I just thought I'd let you know. But yeah, they seem to be quite popular at the moment, and I'm happy to supply. Now, a lot of these poses wouldn't have been suitable in fact, none of them were suitable in the sense. I like to try and keep it as original as I can. And this was quite an interesting one. So I'm trying to get eye level. So you come in the gate, bang, you got this thing trying to get to you at the leash. And hopefully it'll make sort of more sense as you come up closer to this thing's trying to get to you sort of thing. So, as I said previously, I've got to make this gale force windproof and people hanging off proof. So certainly the rocket sleeping off is going to be heavy enough to sustain this. I've kind of tried to make it as light as I can, but I've got to make it a certain amount of strength involved as well. And yeah, I think I succeeded. I'm quite pleased with this. It's been seen in public a couple of times at Heaven at Trentham. And yeah, I might have some news about Trentham in the future. I'm certainly doing a film about the place. So watch out for that. Oh, and please leave comments and stuff. Tell me what you're up to. I might bounce some questions about, see if people are listening. But no, seriously, if you've got questions to ask, then please ask them. I'll always try and get back to you and reply. And don't forget to hit that old subscribe button if you like what you see. Anyway, so going back, I'm sort of model making and getting up to other things now. As that project ends, others are picking up. I've got another couple of dragons to do. I've got some octopuses to do. I've got a couple of big dragons to get on with as well, and so I'm getting very, very busy. And some of my pieces at Hever Castle and at Trentham have sold or found new homes, or yeah, a possible rental as well. So yeah, I've got all sorts of things on the go, and lived with this one myself. Really like this piece. I thought I'd overdone it with the wings, but I don't know, just liked living with it. It actually tucks to the corner of a room really quite nicely, and when it's well lit, it looks quite fantastic. Anyway, it's got a new home and some new owners. I realised I've been building dragons for quite a long time, so it's nice to get a good one. I put a lot of work into this piece, and they're certainly really pleased with it. Anyway, look, thanks for listening. I'll be going down to Somerset and fitting a dragon on a rock soon, so watch out. And look, stay safe, everybody. Look after yourselves. All right, this is Steve Ritchie signing off. Thank you all. Thank you all very much. Bye now.